Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to join in on some round baling today. This is actually the neighbor's field. I didn't cut anything. The weather forecast was sketchy. We had just had 1.5 inches of rain, and then it looked like 3 days of cloudy and 70 coming. So I didn't take the chance, but he took the chance. And it paid off because he's got great weather. The hay looks plenty dry. He is, as I said, going to round bale this. He's not going to square bale it. But there you can see these are pretty big windrows. For first cutting, it looks great. So if the equipment cooperates, we're going to get a lot of hay made today. So this is going to be the baling setup, Ford 7700. Big, beautiful tractor. New Holland 850. This makes bigger round bales than I've ever seen a baler make. These, I think it's 6x6. These things are huge when they pop out. So he's running to get the grease gun. I think that's the last thing he has to do. We'll be ready to head down the field and see if it'll bale. We're about ready. I'm not stacking bales today, but I am wearing my traditional hot weather clothing. Any kind of light colored hat, loose light fitting shirt, khaki pants, hot weather boots. So these are composite toe, always 8-inch. That is a big bale of hay.
I found them in the bales before.
Well, I bet the deer love this field. Here it comes, like giving birth to a big hay baby. All right, I'm gonna get out of his hair and let him work. You see the basic process. Baler seems to be doing a wonderful job. I don't think he's gonna have any issues. And I'm just surprised how beautiful that hay looks. I think the people that took a chance and cut a few days ago, they're pretty happy right now. I know I'm kicking myself I didn't cut. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.